Hey everyone, welcome back to the Office Ace channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the text function in Excel, one of the best tools for formatting dates, numbers, and more the way you want. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a date in cell F1, something like 01/07/2025. Now you want it to show as July 1st, 2025. Just use this formula. And boom, you get a nice clean date format like July 1st, 2025. Next, let's say you have a number in any cell, like 12,500.5, and you want to show it as currency. Type. Now it looks like neat and professional. And lastly, you have 1430 in cell F1, and you want to see it in AM/PM format? See how easy that was? The text function gives you full control over how your data looks. No more messy formatting or confusing numbers. Subscribe for more quick Excel tips. And thanks for watching, and as always, happy Excelling.